Still on cricket, the West Indies women are through to the semi-final of the 50-over World Cup at the expense of India, who were beaten by South Africa in a last-ball thriller on Sunday morning.
A rain enforced no result against South Africa in their final preliminary game meant it was an anxious wait for the Caribbean side over the past few days as they needed the South Africans to beat India. At the halfway stage of the contest, the Windies were down but not out as India posted 274 for 7 from their 50 overs. But despair turned to uncontainable joy as South Africa pulled off the second largest chase in World Cup history to win off the final ball at 275 for 7. And as the Proteas celebrated, so did the Windies. On Monday morning New Zealand time, head coach Courtney Walsh staged his first training session since the team advanced to the last 4.
I feel very happy for both of the girls. I mean, we play some very good cricket, so I think we deserve to be in it. I know it was a long wait, and wait is normally a very heavy load from time to time, but as you can see all the excitement in the girls and stuff and things, so I'm really happy for the team and happy that we're here, and we're going to give it our best shot.
And Windies captain Stephanie Taylor, who was noticeably calm while her teammates erupted, reacted to what it means to be in the semi-final round.
I'm one of those persons, I'm probably the only one who didn't, look all excited, but I think probably in my own way. I just feel like that's just, who I am, how I am, even my captaincy, my leadership, I'm just calm, so. Yeah, but I've been getting a lot of messages, congratulating, and I didn't even sleep last night, to be fair.
All-rounder Hayley Matthews summed up what it means to the team.
Yeah, it means a whole lot. I think coming into this World Cup, we were definitely underdogs. No one had us in their semi-final spots, and to be able to come here and exceed expectations, even just reaching these semi-finals, has been amazing. Being able to beat some of the bigger teams obviously was massive on our list, and we were able to do that. So yeah, just really happy that we're able to get into these semi-finals.
The result means the West Indies will face Australia in the semi-final on March 30, while South Africa will play defending champions England a day later. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.